Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable voice chat on Roblox. First of all, you have to open Roblox app on your phone. You need to tap on this three dot over here and go to this privacy option over here. Now you just need to scroll down and you will see here microphone and camera input. Just tap on this toggle button next to microphone. Just tap on it to disable. Right now it is enabled, and if it is disabled in your privacy, just tap on it to enable, and tap on this enable button again to chat with your voice using this microphone. So after enabling microphone from here, so if you want to enable voice chat, you just need to open any. So if you are opening any game, it must support a microphone as well in a specification. So you can open any game, like let's open this game and see. Yeah, it supports my